Okay, so what you want to do is this comes off of here, goes onto there. You basically just mimic the shape of the boat. These wings pop off. Everything else is glued together with Loctite super glue. So I'll give this to you also, just so you have it. What I have here is a twist tie on the bow underneath. Just go like that. Put it on the top. And we have the second layer. It's right here on top. And as you can see, I pre-drilled most of the holes for you for the zip ties to be put onto the frame underneath.
Okay.
And then the wing, I perforated it so it'll fit in the suitcase. Pop it open. And there you have it.
Now, what about the cross beams?
The cross beams.
The grain going cross.
The second layer is a cross.
Oh, it is? Show me. Oh. So, this way the grain is going that way.
Yes.
That's brilliant.
And also with the PVC frame, also is going to be extra rigid.
Mm-hmm. So it teaches the principle of how plywood gains its strength and how an endoskeleton gives strength to an organism.
Yes.
And the biomimicry as well as industrial mimicry.
Yes. So I'm going to add some holes here and here, here and here for zip ties.
Cool. And then do the bottles go in the front like the last time or no?
Yes.
They do.
Yes.
Now, what about, so the motor now is going to be mounted on...
Correct, right here. There are two of these.
Very cool.
So,
oh, I see how you cut the...
yeah, I cut them horizontal. It's a 3-inch pipe, as in the instructions, cut 2 inches horizontal.
And then that mounts
It's
onto
very,
this.
Yeah, very easy to do with the hacksaw.
And that just plugs into...
It plugs in, yes. Well, which is cool. I just realized you can do it either way. You can mount it up or down. So, but for the tabletop demonstration, you can do it up. Then you want it also to get it a little bit lower and do it down.
That's very, very cool.
Whatever you want to do.
I'm impressed. And does that mean that technically we could run the wire through the pipe?
Just like the Lance Armstrong Tour de France bikes, run the cables through the frame. Yes.
But you said they're all glued together.
Well, yes. Well, they're glued only to a certain point. You can pop the wings off.
Okay.
You can still run that through. Yes, you can do it still. It's not,
nice.
If you had to, you can break the glue. It's super glue. It's not like two-part epoxy.
But
You don't want to use the actual plumbing glue, the blue glue. That is a chemical bond. That will knock them off.
But this innovation just completely impresses me, because that means the motors can be put on and taken off.
Yes, you can upgrade the motors.
Which we have to do because we're using motors that draw too much amperage, and we ordered some other ones. That is really
Did you get my turbojet link?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't get a chance to check it out. But this is becoming a very cool craft.
You just need to know. I'll send you some duct tape too. So you duct tape the front, the parts right here where the water line is.
And what took on water? You're saying we have to put silicone into the holes?
No, you can probably use duct tape. The duct tape worked pretty well in the chlorine pool.
Okay.
So just reinforce it with duct tape.
Okay. I was thinking even grease, because you just smear it on and it forms a plug, no?
Yeah, it just becomes a little bit
messy.
It's
Yeah.
sexy.
Very cool. From that to that. Thanks, Brent.
You're welcome.
And then one day, a perfect horizon on top.